Hello friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar and me Savan Kumar. Today is not getting it right by not following anybody, by promising to myself that I will not be following anybody. Rather, I would be doing what? I would be leading. To lead is the way of life. To lead is how the life should be. To lead is what a leader does. So what would you want to do? Why would you want to be a follower? Why would you want to follow somebody when you can lead? And you can lead from the front. You have to lead from the front and you have no other option. If you think that you have an option, you do not have an option. You will have to lead. You have to lead. You have to inspire. You have to make people grow. You have to help people be successful. Yes, that is really important. To lead is to walk through the fires of your hardest times, to step up into forgiveness. To lead is to fight from the front. To lead is to face all the problems first. To lead is to be strong enough, to be prepared enough to take care of any of the problems, to face the problems first. As a leader, you say to yourself that I am ready, I am the leader, because no matter what comes in front of me, I will be the one who would be facing everything. My team or my tribe is not going to face any of those problems. I will be taking on all the challenges that come in front of me. No matter what, I am going to rule, I am going to lead, and that is how I am going to be the leader. And yes, when I lead, when I become the leader, it does not really mean that I would not let my team not give the opportunity or not have the opportunity to lead, because to lead also means to give everyone an equal opportunity. But to lead also means is to not live the life of mediocrity, to not live the life of being an average. To lead is to lead by an example, and you only become an example and you only become a leader when you can lead your life the way people dream of, the way people think of, the way it is the best. Because leaders do not compromise, leaders do not change, leaders do not choose anything but the best. They simply do not compromise with just anything. So you have to choose to lead. You have to choose to be the leader. And who do you lead? Who do you start leading with? You first need to lead yourself. That is the most important thing. That is the most important characteristics of a leader. That is the most important version of a leader. He can lead himself first. He leads himself first by example. He leads every single part of his body. He leads his mind. He does or he controls his actions. His mind, his brain, his body, his every single part of his body or his mind is in his control, and he leads them. Only when you do that, only when you can lead yourself, is when you lead your entire team, or maybe your entire community, or maybe your entire community. And that is when you get recognized as a leader. And when you are leading this body, when you are leading this soul, when you are leading this brain, mind, you know what you are also doing is you are giving equal opportunity to every part of your body to perform its best. Because you cannot lead if your heart, or if your mind, or if your brains, or if your lungs are performing at their best. That is what the leader does, making everybody perform the best of their capabilities and their abilities. So if you are a leader, you are making sure that every single part of your body, be it your brain, your mind, your soul, your all the parts of your body are performing at their best. They are doing all of their respective functions in the bestest possible way, and that is how you lead. Once you lead your body, once you lead yourself, is how you set an example and you lead your entire team, your entire country maybe, or the entire universe maybe. But and because you are an effective leader, because you are an efficient leader, you make sure that you are bringing or getting the best of everybody who is following you. That is what makes you the leader. Because if anybody fails, that means you fail as a leader. If anybody fails in getting the best of him, you fail as a leader. And then you are no longer a leader. Because then you are not leading, but you are only thinking of yourself. And you cannot think of yourself if you have taken the charge, if you have taken the responsibility to lead. So to lead is how you live. To lead is how you should be living your life. To lead is how you should be determined of living your life. Because that is the way of life. There cannot be any other way. There cannot be any other thought inside your mind to be a follower if you cannot lead. And that leading position starts with leading your body, your mind, your soul. So start leading your mind, your body, your soul today before you go out, before you move out and try to lead, try to become a leader. You first have to start with this. So get started with this today. You do not have an option. You do not have any compromise. You cannot compromise. You cannot give any excuses. But you have to lead. Be the leader of yourself first, and then of the family, the community, the society, the state, the country, or the universe. No matter what it is, start leading and start living your life. Wish you all the best from me, Sawan Kumar, to lead a happy and a successful life. Until then, have a good day. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.